In the heart of a high-tech laboratory, we witness the birth of a revolution where microscopic spores begin their journey to become the leather of the future. The process starts with sustainability, using agricultural byproducts like sawdust and plant waste, which are meticulously ground to create a nutrient-rich foundation for our biological fabric. Total sterility is paramount, as high-pressure steam purifies the substrate, ensuring that only the desired mycelium strains will thrive in this carefully controlled biosynthetic environment. As the substrate travels through the facility, it prepared for the most crucial step, providing a clean slate for the living organisms to weave their complex network. Precision automation introduces a specialized nutrient cocktail, fueling the rapid growth of the fungi and ensuring the resulting material possesses the strength and durability of traditional leather. Thousands of trays are organized into vertical farms, maximizing efficiency as we prepare for the silent, powerful transformation that is about to take place within these shelves. Every variable is monitored with extreme precision, from the chemical balance of the substrate to the atmospheric conditions that will guide the growth of the living fibers. The inoculation phase begins, as millions of spores are introduced to their new home, ready to expand and consume the organic matter in a display of nature. This vast hall is the cradle of the bio-leather revolution, a space where technology and biology merge to create a material that is both ethical and sustainable. Within hours, the first signs of life emerge, delicate white threads that will soon become a dense, interconnected mat of high-performance biological material for the fashion industry. We enter the growth phase, where the lab shifts into a dormant red light, mimicking the underground conditions where mycelium naturally thrives and expands its reach. In this accelerated view, we see the mycelium's incredible power as it weaves a dense network, self-assembling into a structure that rivals the complexity of woven textiles. Walking through these aisles, one can feel the silent energy of growth as the brown earth disappears beneath a pure white blanket of living, breathing biological architecture. High-frequency misters maintain a constant 95% humidity, providing the perfect atmosphere for the fungi to remain hydrated and flexible as they build their structural mass. Nature's engineering is visible in every detail, as the mycelium absorbs nutrients and moisture, strengthening its bond and creating a resilient, uniform sheet of bio-fabricated material. Advanced sensors act as the nervous system of the facility, constantly adjusting the environment to optimize the density and tensile strength of the growing fungal leather. Gentle air circulation is vital, mimicking the soft breezes of a forest floor to ensure that oxygen reaches every corner of the vast, growing biological network. Under the microscope, we see the secret of its strength, a chaotic yet perfectly organized lattice of chitinous fibers that will eventually provide incredible durability and tear resistance. As the days pass, the mat thickens, transforming from a thin web into a robust, leather-like precursor that is entirely biodegradable and free from animal cruelty. Our experts carefully inspect the progress, ensuring that the growth is uniform and healthy, maintaining the highest quality standards for this next-generation sustainable material. The mycelium acts as a natural recycler, turning waste into value by completely consuming the substrate and replacing it with a strong, flexible, and functional biological skin. The cycle of growth reaches its peak as the lights brighten, revealing a sea of pure white mats ready to be harvested and transformed into high-end fashion. This velvety texture is a hallmark of mycelium leather, offering a tactile experience that is both familiar and revolutionary, blending the natural world with modern industrial design. Data confirms the success of the harvest, with density levels meeting the rigorous specifications required for a material that must withstand the demands of the luxury market. The growth is complete, and we now stand before a harvest of sustainable potential, ready to bridge the gap between biological growth and industrial manufacturing excellence. The harvest begins as we carefully lift the living mats, feeling the surprising weight and flexibility of a material grown entirely from spores and agricultural waste. Every sheet is a masterpiece of self-assembly, a thick, spongy layer of interconnected cells that is now ready to be compressed into a durable, thin leather sheet. We move to the mechanical processing zone, where the soft biological mats will encounter the immense power of hydraulic pressure to forge their final structural form. The mat is positioned with precision, centered under the heavy plates that will soon apply heat and pressure to fuse the fibers into a singular, dense material. As the press descends, the transformation from a soft fungus into a high-performance material begins, using mechanical force to redefine the very nature of the mycelium. Under intense pressure, excess moisture is expelled in a cloud of steam, a critical step that increases the material's density and creates a permanent, stable structure. The press rises to reveal a stunning metamorphosis. What was once a thick, puffy mat is now a thin, resilient sheet with the look and feel of leather. Consistency is key in material science, and every sheet is measured to ensure a uniform thickness that meets the exacting requirements of top-tier fashion designers and manufacturers. Heated rollers further refine the material, smoothing the surface and locking the fibers together, enhancing the natural sheen and preparing the bio-leather for the tanning process. The microscopic view reveals a transformation into a dense, interwoven matrix, a testament to how biological growth can be engineered into a material of superior strength. Row after row of these innovative sheets hang in the drying room, marking the transition from a living organism to a versatile industrial material for sustainable luxury. The edges are trimmed with surgical precision, showcasing the internal uniformity of the material, and preparing it for the delicate chemistry of the biotanning stage. You can hear the quality and the sound of the material. A satisfying weight and flexibility that is indistinguishable from the finest traditional animal hides on the market. The workflow is a symphony of efficiency, moving from the growth chambers to the press and beyond, as we scale this revolutionary process for global demand. Quality control is rigorous, ensuring that every square inch of our mycelium leather is perfect, providing designers with a flawless canvas for their creative visions and products. We enter the tanning department, where traditional craftsmanship meets modern biology. Using only natural, plant-based tannins to cure and color our innovative biosynthetic material, the sheets are submerged in a bath of tree bark extracts, a process that preserves the fibers and gives the leather its characteristic richness and timeless aesthetic. This is a dance of chemistry and nature, where the mycelium absorbs the natural tannins, becoming more durable, flexible, and resistant to the passage of time and wear. Emerging from the vat, the material has taken on a beautiful, deep color, proving that luxury and high performance don't require the use of toxic chromium or chemicals. To enhance the softness and water resistance, we apply a blend of natural oils and beeswax, nourishing the fibers and creating a luxurious, supple hand feel for users. Watch as the natural oils penetrate the surface, bringing the material to life and ensuring it will age beautifully, developing a unique patina just like traditional leather. Controlled drying is essential to maintain the integrity of the material, allowing the tannins and oils to settle deeply within the complex network of fungal fibers. The flexibility of the material is now evident, possessing a drape that is perfect for everything from high-fashion apparel to delicate luxury accessories and interior design. The tactile feedback is remarkable. It is soft, warm to the touch, and possesses the unmistakable soul of a high-quality material crafted with care and intention. Our commitment to the environment is absolute, as we monitor every step to ensure our process remains entirely biodegradable and free from any harmful environmental impact. From deep blacks to warm earth tones, our bio-leather offers a versatile palette for designers, all achieved through natural processes that respect the planet and its inhabitants. Each stack represents a significant reduction in carbon footprint compared to traditional leather, offering a sustainable alternative that does not compromise on quality or style. The mark of quality is applied, a symbol of our dedication to a new era of materials where biology and technology work in harmony for a better world. As the day ends, the material continues its cure, becoming stronger and more refined with every passing hour in this controlled, futuristic artisan workshop environment. No two sheets are exactly alike, as the natural growth of the mycelium creates a unique grain that tells the story of its organic origin and journey. To achieve the desired aesthetic, we utilize precision embossing techniques, capable of replicating the most intricate textures, from classic cowhide to exotic, high-end patterns. The result is stunningly realistic, providing the look of exotic skins without any ethical compromise, opening up a world of possibilities for luxury fashion and accessories. High-tech laser cutting ensures absolute precision, allowing us to create intricate designs and perfectly uniform parts for complex products like luxury footwear and designer handbags. The precision of the laser is a perfect match for the uniformity of our bio-leather, resulting in components that fit together with the accuracy of a Swiss watch. In the hands of a master designer, these pieces come together to form the foundation of a product that is as beautiful as it is environmentally responsible. The material behaves perfectly under the needle, holding stitches with the same strength as traditional leather, proving its readiness for the rigors of professional manufacturing. Traditional hand stitching highlights the artisanal quality of the material, where every detail is a testament to the skill of the maker and the quality of the biofabric. Every finishing touch, from edge creasing to polishing, works beautifully with mycelium leather, allowing it to meet the highest standards of the global luxury goods market. When paired with premium hardware, our material is indistinguishable from the most expensive traditional leathers, offering a truly high-end experience for the conscious modern consumer. The assembly process is a marriage of modern technology and timeless craft, bringing the dream of sustainable luxury to life, one stitch at a time in our studio. A final polish reveals the true beauty of the material, a deep and lustrous finish that rivals any animal-based leather in terms of both aesthetics and physical performance. The versatility of our process allows us to create everything from tough outer shells to soft interior linings, all from the same sustainable, biological fungal source. Behold the final masterpiece, a luxury handbag that embodies the future of fashion, where style and ethics are no longer mutually exclusive, but perfectly intertwined. From the runway to the streets, our mycelium leather is ready to transform the footwear industry, offering a durable, breathable, and completely vegan alternative for everyone. Even the smallest accessories benefit from the unique properties of our material, proving that sustainable innovation can enhance every part of our daily lives and personal style. The feel is unmistakable, the quality is undeniable, and the story is revolutionary. This is a material that feels as good as it looks on the human body. Our factory is a beacon of hope, a clean and efficient facility that works with nature rather than against it, producing the materials of tomorrow without any harm. At the end of its long life, this material returns to the earth, nourishing the soil and completing a perfect circular journey that began with a single spore. We are committed to a future without slaughter, without toxins, and without waste. This is the promise of mycelium leather, a gift from the fungal kingdom. The revolution has arrived, and it is beautiful. Join us as we step into a new era of fashion that is kind to the planet and all beings.